Welcome to video number 6 of WordPress tutorial for users. In this video we will show you how to finalize your website settings. You will learn how to manage the WordPress menus and widgets. The WordPress menus allows to create a navigation menu of pages, categories, custom links, tags, etc. To create your website menus, log into your WordPress administration panel dashboard. Go to Appearance, then Menus, type your menu name and click on Create Menu button. Add your pages and edit the names of the links in the menu. Then save the menu. Navigate to Manage Location tab and insert your menu in its location. Now our menu is ready. About the WordPress widgets. Themes usually have at least one or two sidebars. Sidebars are the narrow columns to the left or right of your blog posts. Each section in the sidebar is known as a widget that you can add or remove, and move up or down. You configure widgets in your sidebar via the Appearance Widgets screen. Some themes also are configured to accept widgets in certain parts of the footer. To manage your website widgets, navigate to Appearance, then Widgets. We can add any created widgets from the left side to its location in our theme. I will add a navigation menu to the footer. And you can use any menu by dragging and dropping it into its location and completing the widget data required to appear on the website. In this video, we have completed the installation tutorial. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. If you like our videos, like and share the video. And subscribe to our channel to watch our recent videos.